One of the industries that's sort of been sliding under the radar all this time is residential. And that's why WorkSafe has been concentrating on putting a lot of effort into dealing with homeowners and homeowner renovations. So the message is getting out there that they're aware that there could be asbestos in their houses that has to be dealt with. But you can't just sit on the knowledge and do nothing about it. You have to act on it and apply that to your own home repairs. Let's think of the average house. So the outside of the house might have asbestos cement siding or asbestos-containing stucco. The rainwater leaders and pipes, the pipes that go up and down, are probably asbestos cement. Asbestos shingles or asbestos shakes on the roof, perhaps. The cement and the mortar in the bricks in the chimney could contain asbestos. Okay, that's just outside. Now we go inside. And all your building finishes, your drywall mud could contain asbestos, your flooring. Insulation on any pipes that you have in the house. That furnace duct tape is often asbestos tape. You could have asbestos cement board behind ovens. A lot of the attic insulation is vermiculite attic insulation. A lot of homeowners have asked me, why can't I do this work myself? I've got some carpentry experience, I know how to lay a floor, I can change a faucet. Why can't I just take this asbestos out on my own? Well, for one thing, if you make a mistake, that mistake can be catastrophic exposure to you and your family. And there have been mistakes made from homeowners doing their own work. One of the main issues with homeowners doing their own work is not only the exposure piece, but it's also the waste disposal piece. Because they don't have a waste disposal chain like a lot of the contractors do, where, okay, we have the waste manifest forms, we have a truck, we take it down to the site and dump it properly. The homeowner doesn't have that. So they'll take the asbestos, they'll walk it across the carport and dump it in the dumpster. The best advice I can give to a homeowner who wants to do asbestos removal themselves is don't. Get someone who knows what they're doing. Believe me, it's going to save you a lot of grief in the long run.